Hello, I want to welcome you to the Parson's Bench Workshop. I'm Pastor Joe, or as a lot of people call me, PJ. I've been in full-time ministry for nearly 30 years, and almost 25 of those has been as an ordained minister. I've been involved in woodworking on some level since I was, about a freshman in high school. My dad got involved in woodworking. I learned from him. My father-in-law was an outstanding woodworker. And then just over the years, I've known a lot of people, met a lot of people who were very skilled. Many of them were hobbyists, many of them were professionals, and just tried to learn from them. Now, granted, I did take a few years off a couple years ago, and for various reasons, but I also got back into it for various reasons, one of which is my wife and I got two little grandkids, both under 3 years old. They live 1,002 miles door to door. And so we just don't get to see them very much. So I'm hoping that as they grow, maybe they'll check out these videos. It's also allowed me to build some things for them. Of all the people I build things for, my grandkids, they're the best. So hopefully they'll see this, and maybe it'll spark some passion in them. But it's also just to share my passion. I love woodworking. I continue to learn and grow. I'm just a novice. I'm learning all the time. And that's part of the purpose of this channel, is one, to share my passion for woodworking through project builds, through tips and techniques, through sort of reviews, but more just things just to share my opinion on them. And so I hope that this will be of interest to you. As I learn and grow in my woodworking ability, I hope that it'll challenge you and encourage you as well. So before you leave, I hope that you'll take a moment, hit subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, because I won't be posting videos every week probably, but as I'm able to. And if you got any thoughts or comments, please be sure to leave a comment below.